Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your background apps running on your Android phone, and they keep restarting even though you close them down, and this can get highly annoying. So what we want to do is just go to the top right and go to settings right here, and I'm using a Samsung phone, so your way you do this might be similar but a little bit different. We want to go to About Phone, and then go on down under here. Now you might find build number somewhere under here. For Samsung, it's under software information. Then here's build number. Tap this 5 times. You're going to unlock developer mode now. And we can back out. And now on Samsung phone, it's just located under About Phone right here. On a different Motorola or Pixel, you have to click System, and then you should be able to find developer options. But I'm going to bypass that and just go to Search. And type in where it says search here, background process. And we should be able to just type in background. And then we can go on down. And scrolling down to the developer option settings. And then we have background process limit. We can just tap this. We'll scroll all the way down to it. Under developer options, there's tons of different options in here. And then if we go to background process limit right here, we can limit the processes in the background. So it says standard limit right now. We can literally just go to no background processes right here and completely turn off apps running in the background. So that shouldn't be running in the background anymore. And your phone should be running a little bit quicker now. And it shouldn't be using up as much data either, I believe, since less apps are using data because they're not running. So just look at that as an option. Limit the background processes. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.